Tired of tables in Word that just won't delete? Click the four-sided arrow, then press Backspace. Done. Seriously, it is that simple, and I am going to show you exactly how to do it so you never accidentally blow away your entire document again. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the exact 2 steps to delete any table in Microsoft Word without hassle. No more fighting with the delete key and leaving behind ghost rows or empty page breaks. We are going to fix this right now. So, start by locating the table you want to get rid of. Don't click inside a cell yet. What you want to do is move your mouse cursor over to the very top left corner of that table. You are looking for a tiny little icon. It looks like a four-sided arrow or a plus sign in a little box depending on your version of Word. When you see it, that is your target. Click right on that icon. And here is the really important part. When you click it, the entire table will get selected. You will see everything highlighted, every single cell, row, and column. That is your visual confirmation that you have the whole thing grabbed and ready to go. Now, a lot of people mess this up. They try to highlight the table manually by dragging their mouse over all the cells. That works, but it is really easy to miss one tiny row or accidentally select text outside the table. And then when you hit delete, you either leave a chunk behind or you erase a paragraph you needed. By clicking that four-sided arrow icon, you guarantee you are grabbing only the table and nothing else. It is the cleanest way to do it. So once you see that full highlight across your entire table, you are in the perfect spot. Now that the table is selected, simply press Backspace on your keyboard. That is it, just one key, not the delete key, Backspace. There is a subtle but important difference here. The delete key sometimes tries to remove just the content inside the cells, leaving you with an empty table structure that is still taking up space. Or, even worse, it might try to merge things in a weird way. But Backspace is the magic key for tables. It tells Word, I want this whole structure gone. Every cell, every border, every inch of that table vanishes instantly. You will see the table disappear, and the text that was above or below it will snap together as if that table was never there. And here is something I have learned from doing this hundreds of times. If you ever hit Backspace and nothing happens, or if it just deletes one character inside a cell, you probably lost the selection. Just click that four-sided arrow icon again to reselect the whole table, and then hit Backspace. It always works the second time, so don't stress if it feels like it didn't take the first time. Just reselect and try again. So to wrap it all up, you now know the secret. Find that four-sided arrow icon in the top left corner of your table, click it to select everything, and then press Backspace. That is the full process. It takes about 2 seconds, and it works every single time, no matter how big or complicated your table is. Whether it is a simple 3x3 grid or a massive spreadsheet-style table with 50 rows, this method handles it perfectly. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this one. I hope this saves you a ton of frustration the next time you are cleaning up a Word document. And if it did, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps more people find these quick fixes. See you in the next one.